Kanawha County Prosecuting Attorney Deborah Rusnick says it's no longer correct to call this an accidental shooting.
First-degree murder is an intentional act. It is an act that requires premeditation and deliberation. So to say it was an accident at this point, I think, is inaccurate.
After appearing on Tuesday for his involuntary manslaughter and wanton endangerment charges, 18-year-old Jacob Fields was back in front of a magistrate again on Wednesday, this time with an upgraded first-degree murder charge.
The police department continued their investigation very diligently and presented evidence to us that changed our perspective of how this should be charged.
That evidence included a surveillance video from Sheets that appears to show Fields watch Adkins walk by and then waited for her to walk in front of his car. Court records say this is when he raised his Glock and pointed it directly at her before firing. Once they saw this, they brought a witness back in for questioning who said Fields later admitted he did point the gun at Adkins. Investigators have also been made aware of social media videos posted by Fields both this month of him getting a gun, describing it in a caption as, quote, his newfound love, and another earlier in the year from Facebook showing him running and rolling around and pointing what appears to be a gun. Rusnick says it's her office's job to make sure the charges reflect what occurred as evidence becomes available, but right now there are some questions she can't answer.
It is an emotional reaction that you hear from a family when you say, yeah, we've upgraded these charges. The question that you're immediately confronted with is, well, was my mother or my sister-in-law or my family member a target?